In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix Epic Games cannot add payment. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is launch your Epic Games launcher, click on the profile and click on account. Once you've done that, log in into this window. Once you've already logged in into the window, you want to simply go ahead and click on the payment settings tab on the left hand side of your screen, which is going to go ahead and load up real quick. So as you can see, the payment settings is right here. Click on that, scroll down, and there is going to be the ways you can simply go ahead and add a payment method. If it doesn't work from here, then you might have a potential glitch with your internet connection. What you want to do is right click and then head to network and internet settings, go to Ethernet or Wi-Fi, then click on DNS server assignment and click on edit. You want to simply turn it from automatic to manual and turn on IPv4 just like that, and then put the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4, which should definitely solve your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.